Is it time to buy or sell the SPY Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we will delve into the details of SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, and we're here to provide you with an even deeper analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You certainly don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Elevate your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies globally today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has identified the SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.64. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak rising trend in the short term, and indications suggest further upward movement within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend, we see a potential change of approximately 8.14% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 5.51% and 11.20%. Looking at the 12-month perspective, the trend indicates a change of about 27.81% over the next year, with potential returns between 22.05% and 30.93%. This translates to a price range between $703.82 and $755.03 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF features the headline, SPY ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The SPY ETF price experienced a gain of 1.2% on the most recent trading day, which was Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024. The price rose from $569.79 to $576.65. Throughout that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.09%, with a low of $570.52 and a high of $576.74. While the price has seen some volatility during this period, it has resulted in a loss of 1.14% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign as 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. In total, 36 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $20.97 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached its highest price of $586.12, while the lowest price was $433.40. Currently, the price stands at 1.62%, or $9.47, below the 52-week high of $586.12, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. U.S. stocks have experienced a mixed trading day, as the S&P 500 edged lower, down approximately 0.1% on November 4th. Market sentiment remains cautious as investors brace for a week filled with significant events that could sway stock prices. The looming U.S. presidential election and the Federal Reserve's policy meeting are crucial focal points, signaling potential volatility in the market. Experts predict a post-election sell-off, particularly with the election results expected to influence market trends in the short term. Both major candidates, Donald Trump and Kamala Harris, have garnered attention as polls suggest a competitive race ahead. This uncertainty could lead to fluctuations in the SPY Exchange-Traded Fund, which tracks the S&P 500 index. Additionally, traders are particularly anxious about the Federal Reserve's upcoming rate decisions, which, depending on their direction, could either spur market rallies or instigate deeper sell-offs. October proved challenging for SPY, recording a loss of 0.89%, breaking its prior positive streak. As we enter November, market participants will be closely watching how these economic and political dynamics unfold. Should the market react positively to the elections or Federal Reserve announcements, we might see a significant uptick in stock prices as traders position themselves for year-end trading trends. Conversely, negative outcomes could prolong the selling pressure. Thus, the combined effect of the upcoming election and monetary policy decisions poses a critical inflection point for SPY's performance in both the short and long term. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $575.52 and $575.05. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially influencing short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, with a current drop of 1.36%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 56 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 64 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 238 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $568.25. This level could present a buying opportunity, as we can anticipate an upward reaction when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund demonstrates very controlled movements, and with its solid liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $6.22 between its highest and lowest points, which represents 1.09%. In the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.94%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $577.99. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $568.25. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $551.41, which represents a decline of 4.38%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, translating to minimal risk. A sell signal has been indicated from a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for the SPY ETF to perform well in the short term. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a sell to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 6th of November, we expect the SPY to open lower by $2.01, starting at $574.64. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Please refrain from basing your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.